Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel TechTube. In this tutorial, we are gonna look at how to log into your Webtoon account. Now let us begin. Initially, what you guys have to do is simply install the application right here. As you guys can see, I have already done that. If you don't know how to install it, we have created a tutorial regarding that as well. Now let's simply look at how to sign in. At the bottom right next to this button called as My, you can see something called as More. Click on it, and guys, this is it. From here, the very first thing that's attractive is this login button. Click on it. Now all you guys have to do is select the method by which you had signed up. It's either email, Google, Facebook, or Line, or with Twitter. Well, it's up to you. Simply select the method by which you had signed up. For me, it was Google, so I'm simply gonna select it and give my confirmation. Well, I simply selected my Google account. And once you guys do that, the very same thing will open up as when you had signed up. Simply click on this checkbox and hit on submit. And guys, that is it. That's how you sign into your Webtoon account. The process is quite easy. If you guys found this video informative and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.